What are we going to be making today?
Today we are going to be making Cheerio Treats.
Strawberry Cheerio Treats!
Yum! We will need Very Berry Cheerios,
freeze-dried strawberries,
butter,
white chocolate,
and marshmallows!
Marshmallows!
Let's get started.
Okay. Break some freeze-dried strawberries into pieces.
Melt together 1 bag of marshmallows and
5 tablespoons of butter. Add 6 to 7 cups of Very Berry Cheerios, a little at a time. As well as 3/4 of a cup of freeze-dried strawberries. And some white chocolate chips. Pour into your greased baking dish. Flatten your mixture into your baking dish using a spatula, wax paper, or your hands, and then let cool for 1 hour. Now that your Cheerio Treats have hardened, you can eat them as is, or you can decorate them.
ooh, let's decorate.
If you want to decorate, you will need 1/4 cup of white chocolate that you will melt. Seriously, he's been eating through this whole episode. In addition to your white chocolate chips, you'll also need whatever leftover freeze-dried strawberries you might have. Drizzle white chocolate on top of your snack and then top with dried strawberries.
Fun treat.
Should we try it?
Yeah.
I really like these.
Yeah. You know what I like? When people hit the subscribe button.
See you next time.
See you next time. Very Berry Cheerios.
I don't know what's happening here.
Mix together 1 bag of I said mix! Ah! Melt 1 bag of marshmallows and melt together 1 bag of marshmallows and 5 teaspoons of butter. Oh, I said teaspoons! Ah!
Those are seriously the best Rice Krispie treat I have ever eaten.